Have you ever wondered how to make a profit in your first real estate sale? This is the question we'll delve into today, exploring the exciting world of profitable real estate sales. It's a journey that reveals the potential benefits and the thrill of closing that first deal. The magic of real estate is that it can turn a simple investment into a wealth-building asset. So, buckle up as we embark on this journey together. Stay with us, and you'll discover the steps to make your first profitable real estate sale. Firstly, understanding the real estate market is crucial. It's like a vast ocean where the tides can change at any moment. To navigate these waters successfully, you need a compass, and understanding the market is exactly that compass. It's the difference between swimming with the current or against it. Let's start with location. The old adage, location, 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 holds true. A property in a well-connected, favorable neighborhood will always fetch a higher price than an identical property in a less desirable area. The proximity to amenities such as schools, hospitals, parks, and shopping centers adds value to the property. Now let's talk about price trends. Real estate, like any other market, experiences fluctuations. Prices can rise and fall based on a myriad of factors. It could be the overall economy, changes in the neighborhood, or a sudden increase in demand. Keeping a close eye on these trends can help you predict the future market and make informed decisions. Next up is demand. Real estate is driven by supply and demand. Areas with a high demand and low supply often see property prices soaring. Conversely, areas with low demand and high supply may experience a slump in property prices. Understanding this dynamic can help you identify profitable investment opportunities. But how do you gather all this information? Well, you can start by researching online, reading local newspapers, and talking to local real estate agents. You could also consider attending local real estate forums or meetings. Remember, the real estate market is not static. It changes, it evolves. It's influenced by local events, national policies, and global trends. Therefore, staying informed and up to date is vital. So whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest, a comprehensive understanding of the real estate market is your first step. It's your compass in the vast ocean of real estate, guiding you towards successful and profitable ventures. And always remember, a thorough understanding of the market paves the way for a profitable sale. Next, evaluate the property correctly. In the realm of real estate, the importance of property evaluation cannot be overstated. It's like a compass guiding you through the vast sea of property market, ensuring that you don't lose your way. Let's start with property condition. This involves a thorough examination of the property's physical state. It's about looking beyond the fresh paint and the manicured lawn. You need to check the plumbing, the electrical wiring, the roof, and other such vital parts. It's like a health checkup for the property. And just like you wouldn't buy a car without checking under the hood, you shouldn't buy a property without inspecting its bones. Now let's talk about market value. This is where you compare the property with similar ones in the same area. You don't want to pay more for a property than it's worth. It's all about knowing the going rate and making sure you're not overpaying. Finally, potential improvements. This is where you put on your creative hat. You need to look at the property and imagine what it could become with some renovations and upgrades. The potential improvements are your opportunity to add value to the property and increase your profit margin. A proper property evaluation ensures you buy at the right price and make a profitable sale. So remember, don't just fall for the outward charm. Look beneath the surface, understand the market, and envision the possibilities. Then manage your finances and budget wisely. These words may seem daunting, but let's demystify this process together. Firstly, the role of proper financing and budgeting in real estate cannot be overstated. It's like the foundation of a house. Without a solid base, the structure is bound to crumble. In the same way, without a well-thought-out financial plan and budget, your real estate venture might not stand the test of time. Think of your financial plan as your roadmap. It's what guides you through every decision, every investment, every sale. It tells you where you're going, how you'll get there, and how long it should take. But remember, the best maps are flexible, allowing for detours and changes in direction. Your financial plan should be the same, adaptable to changing market conditions and unexpected expenses. Next, let's talk about setting a budget. This is the part where you allocate funds to different aspects of your real estate venture. You'll need to account for purchase costs, renovation expenses, marketing, taxes, and a myriad of other factors. The key here is to be realistic. Overestimating your budget might leave you with empty pockets, while underestimating can lead to half-finished projects and lost opportunities. Now, sticking to your budget might be the toughest part of this whole process. It's easy to get carried away with grand renovation ideas or to jump at a seemingly lucrative property without doing the necessary calculations. But remember, discipline is key. Every pound spent over your budget is a pound less in your final profit. But don't let this discourage you. Instead, let it motivate you to become a master of your finances. Because in the end, it's not just about making a profit, it's about understanding the value of money, the importance of planning, and the satisfaction of seeing your financial discipline pay off. Remember, your financial plan and budget are not just tools for managing your money. They are your allies in making informed, well-considered decisions that can lead to success in the real estate world. A well-planned budget and financing strategy can be the difference between a profitable sale and a loss. So let's manage our finances and budget wisely, shall we? Finally, master marketing and negotiation. This is where the rubber meets the road in real estate. Effective marketing and negotiation are the twin engines that drive successful property sales. They're the magic ingredients that transform a promising property into a profitable sale. It's not just about selling a house, it's about selling a dream, an opportunity, a future. So, how do you market your property effectively? Well, it's all about creating a compelling narrative around your property and then broadcasting that narrative to as many potential buyers as possible. Think about what makes your property special. Is it the location, the architectural style, the history? Once you've identified the unique selling points, weave them into a captivating story. But marketing is not just about storytelling, it's also about visibility. Use every platform at your disposal. Traditional channels like newspapers and property magazines are still effective, but don't underestimate the power of digital marketing. Social media, email newsletters, property websites, these are all excellent ways to get your property in front of potential buyers. And now, let's move on to negotiation. This is the part of the process where you can really make a difference to your bottom line. Remember, negotiation is not a battle, it's a dance. It's about finding a balance between what you want and what the buyer is willing to pay. Start with a realistic asking price, but be prepared to be flexible. Listen to the buyer's concerns and objections, and address them with empathy and understanding. Be patient, but also be persistent. Don't be afraid to hold your ground on the key issues, but be willing to compromise on the smaller points. And remember, negotiation is not just about price, it's also about terms and conditions. Things like closing dates, repairs, and contingencies can all be negotiated. So think beyond the price tag and consider the whole package. In conclusion, marketing and negotiation are not just skills, they are art forms. They require creativity, intuition, and above all, persistence. But with practice and patience, you can master these arts and turn your property into a profitable sale. Successful marketing and negotiation can help you sell your property for a profit. So, these are the steps to making your first profitable real estate sale. From the beginning, understanding the real estate market is key. It provides the foundation for all your future decisions, so don't underestimate its importance. Evaluating the property correctly, knowing its worth and potential, is another vital step. You need to be sure that the property you're investing in is worth the effort. Then comes financial management, understanding your budget, securing the right financing, and keeping an eye on your cash flow can mean the difference between profit and loss. Finally, mastering marketing and negotiation is what puts you ahead of the competition. It's about presenting your property in the best light and negotiating the best deal possible. In short, real estate isn't just about buying and selling properties. It's a strategic game, and like any game, it requires skill, knowledge, and a bit of luck. Follow these steps and you're on your way to a profitable real estate sale. Thank you for watching.